Hello, in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to add email sign up box on Google Sites. I'll be showing you two different options that you can use. The first option that I would recommend is MailChimp, and MailChimp is one of the most popular email marketing platforms around. And you can get started for completely free. All you'll need is your email address. Once you're signed up to MailChimp, all you would do is go over to the left-hand menu option, and then from there you would scroll down, and you're going to scroll down and select sign up forms. After you have selected sign up forms, you will be redirected to this page, and then from there you could select any one of these forms, as you can see right here. So let's say, for example, we were to select this form. After you have done that, you'll be redirected to a new page. On this new page, you'll now be able to customize your form. So you could go over to the left-hand menu option, tap on form fields. Then from there, if you would like to add more information, for example, let's say we'd like to collect their first name also, we could toggle that on. Then you can scroll down and you can see the other fields that you can also add, as you can see right there. Once you're finished doing this, we could tap on the arrow in the top left hand corner. Then from there you could tap on settings. After tapping on settings, you could change the form title. You can also scroll down and you can also edit other options. After you're finished doing this, you're going to tap on continue in the top right hand corner. Then after doing that, you're going to tap on copy code. After you have copied the code, you're going to go back into Google Sites. Then you're going to scroll down and you're going to select where on your website you would like to add the email sign up. So let's say, for example, we would like to add it right here. You can simply select the section, then tap on embed from the right hand menu option, select embed code. Then you're going to paste in the HTML code that you have copied, and you're going to tap on next. And you can see an example of it right there. Then you'll tap on insert. After doing that, you can adjust the size of the email box, as you can see right here. After you have adjusted the size, you could tap on publish. Then we'll tap on publish once more so you can see how it looks. Then I'm going to tap on view. After I've done that, if I were to scroll down, you can see how it looks right here. So from now on, persons would be able to tap here, enter their email address, then they could tap on first name, enter their first name, and then tap on subscribe. Another platform that you could also use to do this is elfsight.com, and you can also use Elfsight for completely free. All you'll need to do once on Elfsight, you'll hover over widgets. Then from there, you could simply scroll down and you will see the option right here where you see subscription form. You could tap right there. Then after you have done that, you'll simply scroll down, and from the left hand menu option, you can see the different templates that you can choose from. After you have found a template of your liking, from here you could simply tap on continue with this template. Then you can edit different form titles, and you'll tap on add to website, and again it would be the same option just like what I showed you with MailChimp. You will simply paste in the HTML code in the section that you want, and that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.